आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. Today's our question is find the angle of intersection of y square is equals to 4x and x square is equals to 4y. Okay. So basically in this question they are given as two equation of curves and we have to find the angle of intersection of between these curves. Okay. So first of all what we will do that we will draw these two curves. Okay. So for which first we will draw the here two curves, which is, so first is this is our y-axis, okay, and this is our x-axis. Okay, so now first curve is y square to 4x. So we can say that this curve is this. So this is the y square is equals to 4x. Okay, and we have another curve is x square is equal to 4y. So this is x square is equals to 4y. Okay, so these are the two curves. Okay, and this is the intersection point. Okay, which is 0, 0. Okay, so this curve is y square is equal to 4x and this curve is x square is equals to 4y. Okay, and we have two intersection points. First is one is our origin and another is this point. Okay, so now we have a first is y equal to 4x, so we can write it here as this is y square is equals to 4x. Okay, and from here, and now from here we have x is equals to y square by 4. Now we will put the value of x in this another curve, so which is, so now putting x in x square is equals to 4y equation. So in this equation, so we will write it as it is, so it is y square, so x is y square by 4, so this is x square, so this is y to the power 4 divided by 4 into 4 is 16 is equal to 4y, and from here we have y cube is equals to 16 into 4 is 64, and from here y is equal to, we can say that y is equals to 4. 60 cube root of 64 is 4. Okay, so this is the value of y, so y is equal to 4. Now we put the value of y in here, so from here we can say that x is equals to y square by 4, which is 16 by 4, so this is equals to 4. So we can say that y is x and y are both values are 4. Okay, so now first of all what we will do that we can say that we have to find the angle of intersection of this. So first we will draw the tangents here. So for this point we have a tangent this. Okay, this is tangent for this point, and from here we have a tangent this point. Okay, so in these tangents they are given an angle alpha. Okay, so these tangents make an angle alpha. Okay, so now we here, so let us suppose the coordinates of these tangents are 4, 4, because we have find that this is 4, 4 coordinates of this point. Okay, so now from here we have two tangents, one is this and another is this. Okay, so now let us suppose this tangent is tangent, which is this tangent is m1. Okay, and tangent of for this equation this is m2. So we have two tangent m1 and m2. Okay, now we have to find the angle of intersection. Okay, for these two curves. Okay, so in between they are make an angle alpha. So now we will find angle alpha by m1 and m2. So first of all we will find the value of m1 and m2 here. Okay, so for this we know that, so we can say that x square is equals to, we have x square is equals to 4 into 4. So x square is equals to 16 and x is equal to plus minus 4. So we have x equals to plus minus 4. Okay, so now what we will do that, so now we have a m1 and m2 slope. Okay, so now we will finding the slope by differentiating in these two equations. Okay, so first equation we have y is equal to 4x. Okay, for this we will find the slope m1. Okay, so now for slope m1 we will differentiate this equation. So this is 2y dy by dx is equals to 4. Okay, so now from here we can say that dy by dx is our slope m1, so we can say that dy by dx is equals to m1, which is equals to 4 divided by 2y. So from here this is 2 divided by y, so this is the value of m1, which is 2 by y. Now we will find the value of m2. Okay, so for m2 we will write here that, so we will write here that for slope m2 we will differentiating this equation. So from here we have this is write it as 2x. Okay, 2x is equals to 4 dy by dx. So dy by dx is our slope m2, so this is 4 m2, and from here we have 2x is equal to 4 m2, so we have m2 is equals to 2x by 4, which is x by 2. So m2 is equals to x by 2. So now we have m1 is 2 by y and m2 is x by 2. Okay, now we know that here coordinates of intersection point is 4, 4. So from here we can say that our m1 is equals to 2 by y, so y is 4, so from here m1 is 2 by 4. Okay, so from here we can say that m1 is equals to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, and from here we have x is also 4, so we can say that m2 is equals to 4 by 2, this is equal to 2. So now we have to find the value of m1 and m2. Okay, so now we have an angle of intersection formula. So we know that angle alpha is equals to, so for this we have a formula tan alpha is equals to mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is the formula for finding angle of intersection. Now we will put the value of m1 and m2 here. So this is, write it as tan alpha equals to m1 is 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2 is, this is 1, so we can say that this is 1. So now from here we have, because there is mod, so we can say that this value is equals to tan alpha is equals to, this is 3 by 2 whole divided by 2, so we can say that tan alpha is equals to 3 by 4 and alpha is equals to, and from here we can say that alpha is equals to tan inverse 3 by 4. So this is the value of angle alpha, which is tan inverse 3 by 4, and this is our required answer. Thank you for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।